Looking for the most capable, highly equipped SUV with superior functionality and luxury options? Well, you've come to the right place. Look at this certified pre-owned 2017 4x4 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited Luxury Group 2 in bright white. With BI-XENON quad headlamps, premium LED fog and daytime runners, 18-inch granite crystal aluminum wheels with all-season tires, power liftgate, remote start system, heated and vented front seats, heated second row seats, dual-pane panoramic sunroof, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, park assist and backup camera, Sirius XM radio, Ucanoe Bluetooth streaming radio, navigation, mobile Wi-Fi hotspot, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D535353.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.